On my recent cinnamon roll video, somebody asked, can you make strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls? Yeah, of course I can. So today, let's make some strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls. Hell yeah. Cheers.
Back, bro.
We're gonna start with the dough. 480 grams of flour, quarter cup sugar, 1 packet of active dry yeast or 2 1/4 teaspoons, and a pinch of salt. 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, a cup of warm milk, and a 1/4 cup of water. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl and let it sit somewhere warm for about an hour. When it's ready, you'll know because it will have doubled in size. While we're waiting for the dough to rise, we're gonna start the strawberry filling. About 2 cups of strawberries, 1 cup sugar, about a 1/4 cup water, juice of a whole lemon, and about 2 ounces of bourbon. You wanna bring this to a boil and start mashing the strawberries. I let this simmer for about 35 minutes and it's reduced by about 2/3. Now I want to let it cool completely before I use it in my cinnamon rolls. Now we're just going to brush on a little bit of butter. Little cinnamon sugar. And now we spoon on our strawberry mix. And now we roll up our cinnamon rolls. Butter up a cast iron. Just place them in your cast iron. One-third of a cup of warm, heavy cream. Into the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And now let's make the cream cheese topping. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, and a little bit of our strawberry mix. That's good. You guys know what time it is. It's my favorite part of the video. I finally get to taste my creation. Somebody had asked me on one of my videos, can I make strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls? Hell yeah, I can. So today I made strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls and I'm hungry, baby. Cheers. That strawberry cheesecake. Nobody's cinnamon rolls are as fluffy as mine. It's just a fact. Strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls. Whoever suggested that, you're a brilliant genius. I love you for it. And I'm gonna go crush this cinnamon roll. So remember, if you like this content, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, leave me a comment, share it with a friend, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. It's cinnamon roll time, baby. Cheers.